Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, Speedtest April. Yes. In today's newspaper of Friday, April the 5th, 2024, the first Friday of the month, we have here a speed test. Always on the first Friday of the month. We have three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. These three puzzles I will do without comments, without instructions. So it's a speed test of the month April. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not into as a total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will do a speed test. And the first puzzle is a 3 star Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku, and this will be number. Let me zoom this in. 8307. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Speed test without any comments or instructions. Alright, 5, so 2 numbers left, 1 and 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let me see. 3 and 8, 8, 8. 3. Come on. Yeah. What a 6? No. 7? No. 9. I need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. And I need a 5. Come on. Need a 2. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2. Need a 2 there. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. I need a 2 there. And I need a 2 here. 2 here. Okay. Let me think. 9, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 and a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Well, 6, 8, and 7. 6, 8, and 6 and a 7. We have a 7 here. This should be the 7. This should be the 6. No 6. 6. Need a 6 there, and 1, 2, 3. Need a 7 here. Yeah. 7. Come on. 7, 4, 9, 3, no, 4, 9. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 8. 1, 8, 2. Then we have a 2, 2, 2 there. 2 there. 2, 6. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Come on. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. 7, 1. 1 and the 8. 1 8. Okay. 5. And a 5 here. Come on. 8, 9. I need a 9 there. Yeah. 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 and the 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. So I need a 4 there. I need an 8. And I need a 7 here. Well, 4, 6, need an 8 here. I need a 9 here. Well, no 9 here. The 9 goes together with the 6. 9, 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. 4 and the 8. I need a 4 here. 1, 8 and need a 7 here. 1, 8, 7. Okay. 1, 8. 1 should be here. So the 8 and the 7 should be there. 1. Okay. No 1 here. So I need a. Here can be 1. So this box should be a 1. So the 8 and the 7. Need a 7 there. Need a 8 there. 9 and a 6. This should be a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 2, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 5. Come on, 5, 5. This should be the 5, 5, 5. 1 and 8. 1, 8 and the. Here can be 8. 1 and 8 and the 3. 3, 3, 3. 1, 8. 1, 8. 1, 8. 9, 6. Need a 6 here. 9, 1. 1. Here can be 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 6. 7, 1, and the 4. Oh, 7, 1. 1, 4. 1, 4. This should be the 4 then. 1, 4. Okay, 1, 4. So I need a 1, 4, 9. 1. Need a 1 there. Come on. 7, 4, and need a 6 here. 1, 7, and need a 3 here. This should be a 1. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. 1, 7. This should be the 1. This should be the 7. This should be the 7, 6, and the 4. 9 and the 6. 9 minutes. Minus 2. 7 minutes. Well. We solve it again. Yes. 7 minutes. Without comments, without instructions. Well, I hope you beat my time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, also without comments, without instructions. So see you later. Bye bye for now.